it steady.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's what's weird around here.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Button 2 primed. Magenta for maximum drama.
Toggle of destiny flipping now.
Doors moving, listen to that hiss.
On my count. 3, 2.
Same down every box.
And the beat never drops. Nice catch, Bob.
Thank you. Box happiness level optimal.
Wish my...
All spread evenly. Good. Heart rate steady at 68. I'm getting a clean look at the liver now. Nice and smooth. Let's sweep left. Perfect. Everything looks normal. Good little frog.
No tears. Color. Checking the back. Smooth. That's clean. Alright, next one.
Easy now. Here we go. That's all of them.
Gorgeous. Smooth the edge, give it a spa day. Hear that sizzle? Means it's happy.
Watch this little red sunbeam do its dance. 1 second it's scribbling loops, the next...
Zoom to thoracic cavity, heart rate steady at 22, oxygen saturation stable, switching to neural map.
Ooh, your batch is thicker than a brick sandwich.
Keep pouring, Edgar. The vat's hungry.
That's why I'm coming down the chute.
And plop. Sweet.
Look at it swirl.
Behold the great chocolate, blueberry whirlpool of destiny. One paddle to rule them all, holding the blues into the browns like a magician stirring two potions that would rather be cousins than roommates. Bubbles by.
Viscosity is holding nice and elastic. Good separation on the drip.
See how it catches the light here? The grain is almost iridescent.
And the pores, microscopic but consistent. That's rare.
Exactly. Look along this ridge.
Dense yet supple. It'll aid.
Supple, but strong. See how it bends without a hint of stress? That's the beauty of frog leather. Dense, elastic. Run a thumb across it and you feel every natural scale, every valley, and the hardware.
I'm thinking we let this seam curve here like a smile so the lid feels lighter.
Right, and that mirrors the arc of the handle. Maybe we accent it with a top stitch?
Something clean but
yeah,
visible.
and a slightly paler green.
Bed number 1 clear. Seeing the steep spike.
Yeah, hold it steady. Keep it coming.
Copy. Then rolling down.
shiny as a comet, slipping through frog skin purple as twilight. Watch the gold thread loop pirouette and zip into place. It flickers, it giggles, it locks.
That's it, nice and snug. Sit still, little frog. One more length and you'll be ready to hop.
Oh, shiny. Let's rotate you. Oh, nice texture. Wait, aha! Tiny smudge, can't hide from me. Quick polish and sparkling. Perfect, approved.
Target shelf detected. Up we go.
Perfect landing. Rivet approved.
Look at you.
Box 124 scanned. Frog leather boots, size 9, in stock. Wallet shipment, Kyoto Hub, verified. Pallet 45B complete. Quality assured. Export carton.
Oh, that's toasty.
Smells like rich amphibian.
And voila, frog and fabulous.
Alright, a little more. Good, set it down.
Pallet on gate. Reading 15.
Hold on. Close her up when you're clear.
Doors latched. You're good to roll.
Still down. Got it. Smells good in here today. You've got your oak solution. Gives them that shine.
Just a few cells across. Watch how the surface flexes. You can see the membrane catching the light. There's the tear. Underneath, the lattice is intact, but thinner. This sample's holding together better than last week.
Dang, hear that crisp snap? Perfect. Needle dives, thread follows, like a rainbow snake.
Tone holes through the grain. That's on target.
hold just fine.
Out here at Pangolin Mills, midnight feels like it's got its own heartbeat. Smoke curls up like it forgot the instructions. Headlights skate across the asphalt, and somebody's mural.
Closing in, jaws engaged, and there it is. 2.75 millimeters, froggy and flawless. Recording the glory, done. Ribbit remarkable.
You can see the bench lights right through it. It's barely there, but the structure holds. Flexes like skin, and yet it's stronger than anything we've tested at this thickness. Nature never stops.
Things first. Right there. Blue's next. Orange, red, they're together. Yellow's up top. Brown's to the side.
Oh, plushier than a daydreaming toad. There it is. Look at that squish. Oh, that's plushier than a daydreaming toad. Cushions fighting back. Slow rebound. Respectable.
Light pressure right on the seam and let the steam do the work. Keep it moving so the heat spreads evenly. There. See how that flattens out? Smooth as glass.
Watch the bumpy bog side get the spa treatment, while the runway side keeps it glossy. One swipe of light and zap! From froggy to fashion in a flash.